Welcome to LANGuardian version 8, which features an all-new web interface which has been designed with ease of use in mind. So let's take a look at a couple of the new features. Firstly, here on the left-hand side, the menu system has been completely redesigned, so we can now, depending on what we want to do, if you want to look at the security of the network, maybe you want to take a look at what the bandwidth usage on the network is. So let's take a look at that category. So I'm going to choose bandwidth, I'm going to choose IP report, and I'm going to take a look at who are the top clients on my network. Now we've instant access to the filters. Now we can choose here, maybe we want to focus on who are the top users of a particular connection to a remote location. We can just fill in the IP address to the remote location here. I'm just going to run the report as is. I get my graph, and then I get my report detail. We can now sort by columns. So for example, we want to sort by the sensor, we want to sort by maybe the client IP address, maybe we want to sort by the total traffic. Further down the report here, we can go scroll between pages. Looks like I got 4 pages of information here, so I can quickly scroll between each page. But I might choose, okay, I want to take a look at 100 entries on this report, which should have everything on the one screen. And then we can sort by the total traffic here. Okay, so let's drill down now and take a look at what's happening here with this particular client. So it looks like here this client has been on YouTube by port 80, so web browser, total traffic. And we have a really handy button up here at the top now, so I want to take a look at who is responsible for this. So what is the username that's been accessing YouTube and downloading so much data? So we click on the little button here to view the report with usernames. And instantly we get to find out here that it's actually Sean. He's been logged onto this machine. He's been accessing YouTube and he's downloaded a lot of data. And we see lots more users as well accessing the YouTube in this case, and more users accessing the mail server. So we can quickly switch between an IP address based report, or we can choose to have a look at the report with the usernames. And as I mentioned, you can sort by any column. So if you want to sort here alphabetically and take a look at what users have been doing. And we can also choose to have more entries on the page. So lots of options here for sorting your data and actually looking at usernames and IP addresses.